Hey, what's up, guys? ROM review time, and for today's ROM, we have Evervolv Nightlies for the Galaxy S2. It's an AOSP ROM, still in development. Excuse me, guys, because I'm actually downloading a CyanogenMod 10.1 Wild for the Night edition. So we're gonna be flashing to a different ROM. So I wanted to show you guys this one and what it looks like. So it's pure aosp, guys. There's really not much to it. You get your standard notification dock. No means to put any background image on it, so it's just pure stock. 5 home screens, not changeable. Um, so pretty sad about that. Now let's go into system settings here. And actually, no, I could be wrong about that. I just saw launcher settings. So I've been using this ROM for about a couple of hours now, so forgive me on this. Okay, so here we are, the system settings. Um, it is for the SPH D710 model, the Galaxy S2, which is the Epic 4G Touch. It is running Android 4.2.2, and someone told me to show the Easter egg thing, so here you guys go. And we have jelly beans here, there, everywhere. Flick them all away. Okay. Mod version is the Evervolv for the D710 Nightly, and it's the August 5th version. So I've been watching the upstream for this ROM, the Nightly builds, and there's quite a few tweaks to it. About a release every few days to a week. Longest time gap was about a month. But this is the most recent run. It's the August 5th edition. Um, so here, launcher settings, and here's where I guess, yeah. Well, no, home screen and auto rotate. Don't mind my kids. My kids are being wild. They're watching Brother Bear 2 and screaming up a storm. It's kids movie night, so yeah. Anyhow, so this is the ROM itself. 5 home screens. I guess you cannot change them. You cannot change it out of how many home screens you have. Um, Pure vanilla stock Android experience here, as you guys can see. One thing I saw in another video was a person was wondering what's with the recent apps and what is it for. And technically, it's your recent apps stay basically what Android does. It just keeps it in background. So when you pull up the application, it takes less amount of time to actually boot the application. But if you just want to go ahead and clear it, you just swipe to the left or right and to get rid of them, and that's just gone. It's always good to have a RAM manager just in case a certain app gets buggy. I like to use the Advanced Task Manager, and that's what it pretty much looks like. I use it with all aosp ROMs just because it helps. Like if a certain app gets stuck and it won't close out, I'll use Advanced Task Manager to close it out and free up some RAM, whatever's going kooky. So as I said, right now I'm downloading Wild for the Night CyanogenMod 10.1, which is developed by Daston right now, and I'm downloading all the files and scripts for it. I'm going to be flashing it, and I'll be doing a review of Wild for the Night CyanogenMod 10.1 just to see what kind of features it has. But first, before I do that, I wanted to show you guys Evervolv. That's what it's called. And like I said, pure aosp. Not too much. Actually, just about similar to CyanogenMod. A little bit different. It pulls more close to the stock vanilla Android Jelly Bean experience. Now, one thing I'll tell you guys with this ROM, and it does tell you this if you guys find it on XDA developers, and that is that the one thing that is not working with this ROM is recovery. So they suggest that you flash TWRP recovery, or Team Wind Recovery project. And Team Wind Recovery is a touch recovery. And it works great on this device. Actually, I have the 2.6 edition, and easiest way to find it for the phone if you guys have not downloaded this one app, which I haven't downloaded it either, but it's called Goo Manager. GOO Manager. Goo Manager lets you update your ROMs and things like that. A lot of the developers are uploading a lot of their upstreams to it, and making it to where if you have a certain ROM like Paranoid Android and there's a update version, you can grab it from Goo Manager and actually boot into recovery and Flash. So it's making it a lot easier than having to scour the internet. So if you guys are wanting to find a lot of these ROMs that I've been showing, also get Goo Manager, or you guys can Google search it and go to is goo.im, and you guys will be able to actually find all these ROMs and cool other stuff. So that's actually a good thing. Anyways, guys, Team Win Recovery. That's I'll show you guys what it looks like here. Let me just go ahead and reboot into recovery, so you guys may see what it looks like. Since I'm going to go ahead and flash a different ROM right now. This is what Team Win Recovery Project, or that's what they're called. I just call them twerp. Okay, so Team Win. This is their recovery, and everything is touched. You don't use the volume rockers or power button really for anything. Everything is all touched. So let's say I wanted to go and make a backup, which I'm going to do right now before I flash this new ROM that I downloaded. So we're going to click backup, and we're going to back up system data and cache. And we're going to skip we're going to leave the MD5. Well, let's skip it. And let's see. Okay. Yeah, and recovery as well. We're going to make a backup of all of it. Swipe across, and there it goes. So that's, you guys pretty much got a 2-for-1. You guys got a ROM review and how to make a backup with Team Win Recovery Project, or Twerk, version 2.6.0.0. So anyways, guys, this has been the Android Show, showing you guys Evervolv. Excuse me. I got my voice cracked. It always happens. But yeah, showing you guys Evervolv for the Galaxy S2 on Virginmobile, as well as it's compatible for the Epic 4G Touch and the Galaxy S2 on Boost Mobile. Says Andy, the Android guy. Like, hey guys, how you doing? Yeah, okay. Keep playing with that speaker. So becoming, yeah. Anyways, guys, yeah. So let me know what you guys think, and leave your comments in the comment section of the video. Also, this Friday I'll be doing some answers to some questions. So if you guys want to go ahead and leave your questions in the comment sections of any of my videos, or inbox me them, and I will read. I'll be choosing 5, and I'll be reading. Oh, by the way, this is pretty cool because when your phone screen times out, to get back in it, it has this really cool lock screen. You just swipe to get back in, and it's making its backup. But anyways, guys, like I was saying, Friday I'm going to be doing a Q&A. So if you guys want to inbox me some questions, and I will answer them live on the show. And yeah, thanks for watching this review of Evervolv / TWRP Recovery 2.6.0. I'll see you guys next time with Wild for the Night Cyanogen Mod 10.1 review.